Hello everybody, it's Liliana Rowena, and today I'm going to be doing a sweet fairy doll makeup. So you may have noticed that I haven't uploaded in a few days, and that's because I've been realizing that every single day while I'm at school isn't really going to work out, so I'm going to be uploading weekly from now on. So I just put some primer on my face. Now I'm putting on concealer. Just make sure that you kind of get the amount that you need. Now I'm blending my concealer out with my fingers because I couldn't find my beauty blender. Oh, and while I'm watching myself do this, my thing popped up to update my computer. So I organize rummaging through there, so I'm using this Sephora palette, and I'm going to be using greens and browns in this tutorial. So I'm starting by rubbing a pretty bright green across my lid, and then I'm going to mix that with like a shimmery moss green. I also have not filmed a makeup tutorial like this in a while, and I don't know how this mirror setup's working. And now I'm taking some pretty chocolate brown, and I'm going to be putting that into my crease, blending it into my crease, and then underneath that puffy part of your eye, but only a third to halfway on the under part. And I'm just making sure that it really gets in there and that I blend it a little bit. Alright, and at this point I'm using a clean, fluffy blending brush to blend out the brown that I put around my eye. Now I'm taking this yellow toned, silver sparkly. It's really pretty. It's in this palette. I've actually not seen it in any other palettes. It's in the Too Faced Swan Queen palette from last Christmas. And it's in the color Twinkle, and I think it looks really pretty. Now I'm doing this thing where I take this really dark brown, since my eyes are blue, and I'm lining my eyes using a liner brush just on the outer corner, right close to my eyes, to help make my eyes look bigger and the color blue to pop a bit more. Oh, I'm editing a YouTube video. Alright, and Now I'm adding white eyeliner to my waterline. Excuse that little thing I was saying bye to a roommate while I was recording this voiceover. So on the waterline to make my eyes look even bigger. And now I'm adding black liquid eyeliner, so I'm going to put it all the way across and do a downturn with it. I usually have to do a few passes because my eyelids are kind of loose, so it doesn't usually make a smooth, clean line the first time. So I like to curl my lashes because putting on false lashes is hard, and I think I've resigned myself to probably only doing that for meetups. Alright, so I'm going to attempt to put these eyelashes on, and I'm not going to succeed with that. I will probably skip this part in the editing. Alright, so at this point I have decided to just put some mascara on. And I am putting on some pink blush pretty close to my eyes and in big circles, almost looking a little overdone. Now I'm adding some highlighter that matches my skin tone for a little bit more of an ethereal look. So I'm using a cool highlighter from my palette, from the palette, so it's like a champagne color. And I'm putting a ton on there. I'm just going for it until I'm happy with how sparkly it is. I just took a moment to be like, ooh, I look cute, because I do. I think I might have tried to put the lashes on again. I can't tell. I don't know what I'm looking for. Oh, I'm curling my lashes some more. I just made sure that the camera was still recording. So I'm curling up my lashes more as I realized that me putting falsies on was not happening that morning. And yes, this is the part where I finally resigned to the fact that it's mascara time. I also managed to poke myself in the eye a lot, and I also learned to put mascara on by blinking over the lid to help curl it more as you do it. I don't know if that really does anything if you've already curled your eyelashes, but it's what I like to do. I think at this point I'm trying to decide which lip color to put on. What am I getting into over there? I don't remember. Nope, and I decided on a pretty neutral color, a pinky neutral color to go with this. Since my eyes were already pretty intense. I think I might be looking for my eyebrow pencil since I wear glasses. Not always in my videos because it's hard to control the glare. Oh, that's what I'm doing. I'm creating little brown swirls. It doesn't show up very much on the camera, but I'm making these little brown swirls that go off the side of my eyes in order to make it look more like a fairy. I finished making the brown swirls. I'm trying not to laugh at my cutie doing silly things in front of me while I'm recording this voice recording. Oh, I put my little headphones. The headphones are right there. You can use mine. And so I'm just kind of putting little clips. I decided against the clips, I guess. I think I ended up deciding against the clips. And I put setting spray on my face to hold it in place. And then I think I used some setting powder. No, I didn't use setting powder. I'd recommend that. Alright, so I kind of just waved it, and Liliana Rowena out!